So this is going to be a quick unboxing of the new Amazon Echo Show 10. This is the latest smart speaker from Amazon. It was announced back in September, but it's officially now here in the US and Canada. As you can see here, this device has a 10-inch touch display, 13 megapixel camera, built-in Zigbee hub, and two premium sound, and a 3-inch woofer. But what makes this a bit more unique is that this is on like a rotating base, so whenever you're talking to Alexa, then the device will actually kind of move move side to side. And this is also the same thing when you're doing video calls. It will kind of keep you in focus. You can turn off the motion as well, but yeah, so let's take inside the box. So, right here we have the power adapter, which is like a barrel connection, so it's a proprietary connection, and it's 30 watts. And here's the speaker itself. So you can see it swivels. On the top you have a mute button, volume up and down, camera physical shutter. As you can see here, here's the kind of fabric exterior that's been featured on previous Echo devices. So I can use there. That's where you connect the power, and you can tilt it up slightly, so if you need to see it at a better angle. Else inside the box is just manual and quick start guide, and some of the setting up your Echo Show, because you want it in a place where it has enough room to rotate side to side. You don't want it to bump into anything. And it should be loaded. That's been a quick unboxing of the new Amazon Echo Show. It's available now in Canada and US. Alexa, what's the weather?
In Pickering, it's 2 degrees Celsius with clear skies and sun. Tonight,
Alexa,
you can look for snowy rain.
What about tomorrow?
Here's the forecast for tomorrow in Pickering. Look for snowy, rainy weather, with a high of 6 degrees Celsius and a low of 0 degrees.